Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome you all in HDFC Securities. Today we are doing a webinar on commodities. Please wait for minutes. We are waiting for more participants. We'll start this webinar in next couple of minutes. So thank you very much. Stay here. Thank you very much. Hi everybody. So again, welcome you all in our webinar, which is on the commodities, learn trading in commodities. So as you know that market is very volatile, and we have seen that there's a huge volatility in commodity market, particular in bullion, base metal, and in energy segment. And in energy segment, we saw good momentum in natural gas and as well as in natural crude oil prices. Apart from that, we also noticed that commodity market is totally affected by the international causes, just like you can say a Trump policy tariff, economic GDPs, and US data. And apart from that, we have also noticed that equity market is totally affected by interest rates, and also it is affected by Federal Reserve Bank decisions. So apart from equity, if you check the commodity market, this is totally directly connected with all the economic steps, probably the political uncertainty as well as geopolitical tension. So if there is any issue, if there is any instability, might be politically or might be the economically, so you will see a volatility in commodity market. So if you are trading in equity market, and if you are trading in derivative market, or if you are a new customer to want to trade, new investor to want to trade or invest in commodity market, then you can start looking towards this commodity market. Because if you compare the commodity market to the equity, it has the high volatility as compared to the equity. For example, Nifty VIX is almost 12 and 13, right? If we talk about the implied volatility. So, but if you check the commodity volatility, that is more than 30, right? If you see the crude implied volatility, that is more than 30. It means Nifty moves by 10 points, but in that 10 points, crude oil moved by almost 30 points. So you can that in that also sense that crude is more volatile, natural gas is more volatile than the equity market. So basically, commodity market is a product which is liked by every trader, right? Who are trading in derivative market. I can say that uh, traders who are like to trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty, definitely they are looking commodity market for their trading. basket, right? So for that perspective, we are organizing this webinar to give some education, some awareness that how you can diversify your portfolio for investment, because there is a gold and silver, and also this is diversify your portfolio with your trading basket also, as this is a product of trading also. So you can diversify your money. If you are trading in equity derivatives, you can look commodity product as a derivative. So for that perspective, we have uh, I am is there, but from the exchange side we have Mr. Chandranath Pandey and Mr. Sanjay sir, who is giving some insights for the commodity market. So I would like to invite Mr. Sanjay sir for this giving insight on commodity market. So Sanjay sir, over to you.
Thank you very much, Anuj bhai. Hope I am audible.
Yes, sir, very much.
Great. So, a big namaste to everyone. Happy to be here. Anuj ji is doing a great job in terms of reaching out to the target audience to create awareness about this, the various parts of financial market, including commodity market. I have a small presentation. The number of slides is large, but I would restrict myself to discussing few of the important ones. Kindly allow me to share the PPT. 1 second. Hope this is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So this is this we are trying to organize. So under the SEBI mandate, we arrange these programs on awareness about this market. This is called Smart Investor Awareness Program. My name is Sanjay. I take care of business development at MCX Delhi, covering few states. So disclaimer is that from an exchange you would not get any investment advice or how to trade, what strategies to adopt. That is for Anuj bhai to tell you. But exchange, because derivatives are zero sum game. So in that sense, all the four markets are kind of correlated. Stock market, forex market, commodity market. The biggest example is somebody who is importing gold. Gold is a commodity. Import kar rahe hai, so they are making payments in dollars, and if it is a listed company which is importing, so they are exposed to the capital market also. So it is not that till few years back there was clear demarcation of people in terms of trading uh, trading styles, that I will trade only commodity market, I will trade only equity market, but all these markets are interlinked. As Anuj bhai was saying, the correlation between the stock market index and gold is almost negative, 100% negative. So whenever gold is going up, stock market is going down, and vice versa. Therefore, it makes sense to include gold as part of your portfolio. And there are various ways to invest in gold. MCX also remains one of the ways. So we'll discuss that also. Apart from that, as highlighted by Anuj bhai, the quantum of volatility in commodity markets recently has been very high. So people who trade volatility based option strategies, who adopt, for them also commodities are a good asset class to look in terms of trading of options. And that is given by the kind of growth we have seen in commodity options. Uh, so a few factors which affect the commodity prices, taking the example of gold. So gold 100% India imports. So we import around 800 to 1000 tons every year. So whatever price is prevailing in the international market, that will impact the landed cost of gold in India. Then foreign exchange rates. So because you are importing, and therefore we have to make payments in dollars mostly. So whenever dollar becomes stronger, we'll need more rupees to import. Therefore, the landed cost will go up, and vice versa. In terms of geopolitical factors, we have seen two big geopolitical developments in the last 2 3 years: Russia-Ukraine war and Israel-Gaza conflict, and then political developments in US, where Mr. Trump became the president, And immediately after assuming office, he has taken many decisions which will impact the global economies. So all these factors impact the commodity prices because commodities are truly global assets. They move from one producing country to a consuming country, and the prices are determined by all these factors. For example, if there is a $1 increase in the price of gold in terms of per troy ounce, then the Indian price in terms of rupees will increase by around 30 rupees. So अगर बाहर $1 से गोल्ड का भाव बढ़ता है तो इंडिया में इट इंक्रीजेज बाय अराउंड 30 रुपीज. अगर हमारा रूपी बिकम्स वीकर बाय से 1 rupee, so 85 rupees to a dollar to 86 rupees to a dollar, around 900 rupees increase we'll see in the price of gold. So these are few empirical examples to tell what is the impact of global prices and what is the impact of foreign exchange rates. MCX started in 2003, and we have been under the regulation of SEBI since 2015. And since 2015, SEBI has taken many steps to ensure that this market grows in a very robust manner for all participants, because this market addresses the very specific need, which is price risk management and price discovery. And there is a community of players or participants in this market which is very important, and that community is known as hedgers. So somebody who has a real interest in the item, a jeweler, a cotton yarn manufacturer, or a copper cable manufacturer, they all use the commodity derivatives platform to hedge their price risk. And that is why this market is very important. There are around 104 commodities which have been approved by SEBI to be traded or to be listed for trading on commodity exchanges. They are categorized in four segments: bullion, energy, metals, and agricultural. So bullion has gold and silver, energy has crude oil and natural gas, metals as aluminum, copper, lead, nickel, zinc. We have also launched steel recently. And agricultural, we have cotton and mentha oil. Two types of contracts are traded on MCX: futures and options. Options started in 2017, and with a very small initial volume, we are now averaging around 2 lakh crores in notional terms. I'm very proud to say that in options, MCX has become the #1 exchange in the world. So there are exchanges which are like 200-year-old exchanges, but MCX has achieved #1 status because of trading in options. And overall, we are the sixth largest exchange. So this has been achieved by support from members and participants, that we have become sixth largest in the world. SEBI regulates commodity exchanges. SEBI also regulates stock market and segment of forex trading, forex derivatives. So SEBI is the overall regulator for all these market segments. And then we have members like HDFC Security, very responsible members like HDFC Securities. Uh, so which all variants of gold and silver you can trade? So we have to cater to all the segments of participants. अगर कोई बड़ा importer है या बड़ा consumer है, तो we have 1 kg contract. Then we have 100-gram contract for HNI clients, 8 grams and 1 gram for retail participants. So all these contracts are available for trading and taking delivery of. We have 3 variants in silver: 1 kg, 5 kg, and 30 kg. This asset class, gold and silver, has been the best asset class in the last year 2024, giving average return of around 20%, and outscoring returns from other asset classes. In industrial metals, we have 5 metals. Now the thing is, all these gold and silver and 5 industrial metals are compulsory delivery contracts, in the sense that if you hold your position till expiry of the contract, you will get delivery, or if you are a seller, you would be required to give delivery. Last 5 days, in some of the contracts we have converted to last 3 days, become the delivery days, which means seller can give the delivery as per the exchange quality norms on the first day, and that is randomly marked to people on the buy side. So people who want to invest in gold, for example, they can do it in 1 gram or 8 grams, or whichever denomination they prefer. Similarly, people can invest in 1 kg silver, 5 kg silver, and 30 kg silver. The deliveries are physical in nature, but they are reflected in the Commerce statement, which is similar to a demat account. Whatever material is brought to MCX is quality tested. We ensure that it is meeting the requirements of the exchange. So far, we have seen around 150 tons of gold, 150 tons of gold, and more than 5,000 tons of around 5,500 tons of silver being delivered on the MCX platform, and around 4 lakh tons of industrial metals have been delivered. So, this platform is important from a physical user point of view, from a physical investor point of view. So if I want to buy gold, I can buy gold. Now we used to have sovereign gold bond, but now that does not exist anymore. We can buy gold ETF or gold. If somebody is interested to take physical delivery of gold, then MCX becomes the platform. And it's a 24 karat purity gold. Similarly, industrial metals, whosoever is into manufacturing has now two channels to buy the raw materials. One is the normal channel, and the second is taking delivery from MCX. So it has become very important for the physical market. And now, in terms of Section 43(5), whatever trading you do on MCX, the income or loss from that activity is kind of permitted to be set off against your normal profit loss. And there is a mandate from SEBI for hedgers to declare, at least listed hedgers to declare how much hedging they are doing for commodity markets. Options have done very well. The underlying contract for options is the commodity futures contract. So if you're trading in 1 kg gold option, it would settle on the 1 kg gold future price. Similarly, for all other commodities, the underlying contract for options is the future contract. So we have variants of gold and gold mini, silver, silver mini, crude oil mini, and natural gas mini. So only few contracts are there for trading, but there has been exponential growth. So from every turnover of around 34,000 crores in financial year 23, the value in today's times is around 2 lakh crores. So exponential growth in the both the notional turnover and the premium turnover of options contracts on MCX. The settlement mechanism of options contracts on MCX is little different in the sense that if you are in the money, for example, if you have bought 80,000 rupees ka call for gold and the closing price on the day of expiry is 81,000, so you are in the money to the extent of 1,000 rupees, and therefore your position will get converted into a buy position on MCX. And if your put is in the money, then your position will convert to a sell position on MCX. We have also a very unique contract on MCX called Bulldex, which is an index-based trading. Now, the composition of Bulldex is only gold and silver. 60% weightage is given to gold and 40% weightage is given to silver. It is a cash settle contract. There is no delivery till, and therefore there is no delivery-based margin till the expiry, last second of the expiry of the contract. And for participants who want to kind of invest both in gold and silver, Bulldex becomes a very good instrument to kind of buy or sell. So it is a cash settled contract. It reflects the roll returns in gold and silver in the sense that whatever price behavior gold and silver depict, that becomes visible in Bulldex also. So whatever price movement happens in gold and silver is reflected in the price movement in Bulldex. The margin requirement for Bulldex is also less. For example, 1 kg gold, the margin requirement is 7 lakhs plus. But for Bulldex, now the basic units are getting converted to 30. The margin requirement would be around 35,000 rupees. So with less margin, people can trade in gold and silver both in the form of Bulldex. SEBI is very keen that participants who trade in financial markets, including commodity derivatives markets, are well informed. So they have launched a dedicated website called investor.sebi.gov.in. I would request participants to visit that website. there is one, investor certification exam also by SEBI, which is free, and NISM conducts that. I would urge every participants to clear that exam. There are two malpractices in the financial markets. So if somebody assures you returns, that is not possible. So if somebody says that I'll give you say 5% return every month, kindly don't believe in him. And whatever transaction you do on exchanges, kindly make sure that they are executed on the exchange platform. With this, I end my discussion here. And if there are any questions, I'm kind of available. Yeah. Thank you. Anuj bhai, over to you.
Thank you, Sanjay sir. Thank you very much for this presentation for the commodities. As definitely we are seeing that market is looking towards the new products. So Buldex is definitely fulfilling this gap, because clients are trading in like to trade in indexes also. So in equity we have seen a very good participation from Nifty and Bank Nifty. So commodity, now we have bullion index. This is called Buldex, and we can trade in Buldex to filling the gap who wants to trade in the derivative segment in indexes. So I think this will be a very good product where we can see. So now I would like to show how to trade in HDFC Sky platform. So as you know that we have a platform which is called HDFC Sky, where you can put your all orders. If you are trading in equity market, or if you are a member or you are a client of HDFC Sky, then you can first of all activate your segment. So I will like to show how to activate your segment. Sharing my screen. Can I please give me right to share my screen? Sharing my screen to how to check the mobile app HDFC Sky. Yes, Amit ji, you want to shift from HDFC Sky to Sky. What is the procedure? So you have to close your first of all HDFC IR account, and after that you can log in. Log in HDFC Sky account. Then you can re KYC. Then you will get. It will take 2 days. Then you can activate your HDFC Sky account. So this is our HDFC Sky mobile app. So activate your if you want to activate your the segment, if you are a customer of HDFC Sky, you can download mobile app HDFC Sky and log in with your credentials, right? अगर आप HDFC Sky के क्लाइंट हैं तो आप अपने यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड से HDFC Sky ऐप को लॉग इन कर सकते हैं. अगर आप कस्टमर नहीं हैं तो आप HDFC Sky का ऐप प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड करें, और वहां पर जब आप पूरा प्रोसीजर पूरा करेंगे देन यू विल get username and password, then you can able to log in this app, right? So if you are trading, right, if you are a customer of equity, right, so you have to activate your commodity segment. So there is a profile. If you come in the profile, there is a profile setting, right? So यहाँ पे option है activate your future and option for free, right? If you click on that, if you click on the commodity and this segment, then you will able to activate your segment, right? So यहाँ पर आप click करके अपने segment को activate कर सकते हैं, right? Equity all segment, there is all segment activated, right? So click on this all segment, and if you click on the continue button, that OTP will come at and your segment will be active, right? So that is the benefit how to activate your segment. Now, this is our dashboard of our app. So you can use this app to trade in the commodities, right? So there is a search button, right? I prepared few watch list which will help to understand. So as you know that commodity market now have a derivative segment. In commodity market now you can trade in options, you can trade in futures market, and you can trade in every segment. Means you can trade in equity also, and as dashboard saying, you can trade in IPO, research, option trading, MTF, stock SIP, ETF, health insurance, refund and earn. Right? You can trade in this product, and even also the commodity you can trade in the commodities, right? So this is my watch list. So if you are able to see that, I have mentioned commodity as well: natural gas, gold mini, zinc, copper, silver, gold, crude, natural gas future contract, silver contract, and equity also, crude oil also. Means ETF is there, gold piece, all product is there. So by using this app, you can trade in equity, you can trade in commodity as well. So आपको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आप इक्विटी में ट्रेड करना चाहते हैं, अगर आप commodity में ट्रेड करना चाहते हैं, then you can download this app right now. Then you will able to get all the facilities which are available in this app, right? So now, how to trade in commodity by using this app? Suppose there is a search button, right, in the front dashboard. If you want to trade in, suppose crude oil mini, right? As Sanjay sir mentioned in this PPT, that we have gold, silver, copper, crude, zinc, lead, aluminum, and its mini contract as well. So it means you can trade in big contract. You can trade also in smaller contract, right? So I have mentioned here that if you want to trade in crude oil, just write crude oil, then you will able and click on the future, all stocks, future and option ETF. So here the future and options are two main part which is applicable for commodities. If you click on futures, then you will able to get all the crude oil contracts. In the list, you are seeing crude oil March future, crude oil M. M means mini contract. In the screen, you are seeing that crude oil and crude oil M. M means mini contract. If you want to trade in mini contract, you have to select crude oil M contract. If I click on that, you can click here. You can see crude oil M March future, which is trading at 5885, 25 rupees up, increase by 0.43%. And if you drag this screen, you will see the market depth, which is very important for the traders. Market low, today's high, today's low, open, previous close, volume, average trade price, lower circuit, upper circuit, last trade quantity, last trade time, open interest, multiplier, price quotations, delivery units, tick size, market lot, market order, product type, symbol, expiry, tender and end date. This information is very well required for the traders. This is required for who want to trade in commodity, because this information is very important while you trade in the commodity market. Now, you can also trade in this app on the basis of technical chart. So as you seeing that in the front, it is showing the technical chart. So there is a in right hand side lower, there is a button. If you click on that, expand in that, you will see the technical graph of the crude oil, right? So there is a time mentioned, 5-minute chart. You can use this 5-minute chart. You can click 15-minute chart. You can get 15-minute chart. If you click on 1-hour chart, you will able to get the 1-hour chart. So if you just adjust the screen, you will able to get the complete technical chart of the crude oil. And on that basis, you can able to trade in crude oil. So as you seeing that there is a buy and sell button, which is very much available. If you want to trade in this screen, you can just click buy or sell, right? So on the basis of chart, you can click on a single screen buy and sell button. Suppose you want to buy a crude, just click on the buy, right? There is a window will open, which is your order window, where you can give your order to buy or sell the commodity. So there is a little bit network issue, but this is the buy quantity. If you want to buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, how many lot you can do, how much, right? And in the below side, there is a margin, right? So important is that कि जब आप commodity buy करने जा रहे हो तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि आपको कितना मार्जिन यूटिलाइज है, राइट? देयर इज, अगर आप नीचे देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर मार्जिन है सबसे लास्ट में, जहां पर ऐड बटन है उसके नीचे देयर इज अ मार्जिन, राइट? So if you increase your quantity and if you click on the refresh button, you will get. So for crude oil mini, you need a margin of 20,000. For one lot of crude oil mini, their margin is 20.07, means almost 20,000 margin, and plus charges. Charges kitne hai? That is very important. For the Sky side, you have 20 rupees per order. Just a second. So 20 rupees per order का brokerage लगता है, जो कि which is a very less brokerage. आपको जब आप क्लिक करेंगे, then you will able to get the complete detail. There is some network error. Just a second. Just a second. It's connecting again. तो यहाँ पर आपको क्लियर दिखता है कि कितना कॉस्टिंग है. स्काई ब्रोकरेज इज 20 rupees. External charges 0.28, taxes 3.63. और external charges में भी it is clearly mentioned that CB fees, stamp duty, exchange charges, right? So these are the total charges, which is 0.28, taxes 3.63. The total cost would be 23.91 for per order, right? So that is the charges. Means if you want to put 10 lots in a single order, your cost total would be 23.68, right? That is your टोटल कॉस्टिंग. सो ये बहुत नॉमिनल चार्जेस है, जो कि यहाँ पर आपको सामने विंडो पे दिखता है. आपको बिल्कुल भी कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है कि कहाँ पर क्या कॉस्ट लग रहा है. आपने जस्ट यहाँ पे देखा, आपने कैलकुलेट किया एंड देन यू कैन एग्जिट. मीन्स अगर आप क्रूड के अंदर, आप सपोज जैसे एक में एक लॉट में करीबन आपका 23 रुपए कॉस्ट जा रहा है, मीन्स अगर आपने 3 टिक भी, क्योंकि क्रूड ऑयल मिनी में 1 रुपए में 100 रुपए 10 रुपए का प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस होता है, तो आपने अगर 4 टिक भी यूज कर लिया, होल्ड कर लिया, देन यू आर इन द प्रॉफिट. तो बहुत छोटा इसके अंदर कॉस्ट है, जिसको आप बहुत छोटे टाइम के लिए आप उसको मीन्स अगर आपने 5 रुपए के लिए भी होल्ड कर लिया, देन यू विल बी इन द प्रॉफिट. तो 5 रुपए भी अगर आप होल्ड कर लेते हैं तो आपको 50 रुपीज का प्रॉफिट होता है. तो अगर आप उसको भी होल्ड करते हैं, यू विल इन द एट कॉस्ट. तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं पूरा कॉस्ट आपका इसमें निकलता है. नहीं, अगर आपको तो गोल्ड मिनी के अंदर ट्रेड करना, यू जस्ट राइट गोल्ड and it will show the complete future contracts of the gold, right? Which is very good for the thing that you are using that. So gold पे अगर आप क्लिक करेंगे तो ये आपको सारे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, गोल्ड गिनी, गोल्ड पेटल, गोल्ड अप्रैल, गोल्ड गिनी, गोल्ड पेटल, जितने भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है सारे यहाँ पर आपको शो करेगा. सपोज इफ यू वांट टू ट्रेड इन गोल्ड पेटल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, सो दैट इज अ गोल्ड पेटल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट विच इज 1 ग्राम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. तो यहाँ पर 1 रुपए में 1 रुपए का प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस होता है, विच इज वेरी नॉमिनल प्रोडक्ट, राइट? Suppose if you want to buy a gold petal contract, you will amaze that the total margin required for gold petal is only 721.79 rupees. Means अगर आपके पास 1000 rupees है, if you want to invest 1000 rupees in gold, then you can buy this 1000 rupees, you can buy gold petal contract which is 10 gram contract. Means आप 10 ग्राम गोल्ड 721 रुपए में, मीन 722, आप मान लीजिए 722 में आप उसको बाय कर सकते हैं 1 ग्राम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, जिसकी मार्केट वैल्यू करीबन 8,700 रुपए है। मीन 8,700 रुपए का गोल्ड आप महज 722 रुपए में आप यहाँ पे ले पाएंगे, which is very nominal cost. Means you can accumulate gold petal contract if you want to buy every day 1 gram of gold petal contract. Then आप ये देखिए कि अगर आपने 10 दिन में गोल्ड पेटल बाय किया जिसकी कॉस्ट आपकी 80,000 रुपीज थी, तो आप 10 दिन में एक तो आपकी एवरेज हो जाएगी और आप उस 10 दिनों में सिर्फ 7,000 रुपए पे कर पाएंगे, 7,022 रुपए, और आप 10 ग्राम गोल्ड बाय कर लेंगे, जिसकी एक्चुअल वैल्यू करीबन 87,000 पड़ेगी 10 ग्राम गोल्ड की। तो मीन्स अगर आप डेली भी 1-1 ग्राम गोल्ड बाय करते हैं पूरे महीने में, तो आपका एक एसआईपी हो जाएगा 1 महीने का, और आपका वो एवरेज भी हो जाएगा हर महीने का। तो कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप उसको फाइनली कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो देन दैट इज वेरी इजी टू एग्जिट फ्रॉम द मार्केट बिकॉज लिक्विडिटी इज देयर, राइट। सपोज इफ यू वांट टू ट्रेड इन नेचुरल गैस, तो सबसे ज्यादा रोबस्ट कमोडिटी है, सबसे ज्यादा वॉलेटाइल कमोडिटी है, और इसके अंदर आपको काफी अच्छा वॉल्यूम और वॉलिडिटी देखने को मिलती है। तो व्हाई वी ट्रेड इन natural gas और commodity market due to the volatility and easy entry and exit। तो यहाँ पर भी अगर आप देखेंगे तो नेचुरल गैस के अंदर भी 2 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हैं, नेचुरल गैस बिगर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, नेचुरल गैस मिनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। तो ये आपके बड़े कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स हैं जिसमें 1 रुपए में 1250 रुपए की प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस होता है। वहीं अगर आप मिनी में जाएंगे तो मिनी का जो कोड है दिट इज नेट गैस, NATGAS। तो यहाँ पर सपोज नेट गैस मिनी का हमने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लिया, दिस इज अ मार्च कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। यहाँ पर आपको उसका प्राइस दिखाई देगा, टुडे इज इंक्रीज बाय 8%, राइट। ये वॉलिडिटी मार्केट में रहता है, दैट इज अ वॉलिडिटी इन द नेचुरल गैस। नेचुरल गैस में अगर आप देखते हैं तो यहाँ पर पूरा मार्केट डेप्थ दिया हुआ है, देन इसमें ओपन, प्रीवियस लो, वॉल्यूम, एवरेज ट्रेड प्राइस, लोअर अपर सर्किट, लास्ट ट्रेड टाइम, लास्ट क्वांटिटी, ओपन इंटरेस्ट। सी ओपन इंटरेस्ट आप देखिए दैट इज 17,586 लॉट्स, 17,000 लॉट का ओआई यहाँ पर बिल्डअप है। तो यू कैन सी कि 17,000 लॉट इतना ओपन इंटरेस्ट है जहां पर आप एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आप बाय से करते हैं। अगर आप इसका बिड आस्क भी देखेंगे, सिंगल टिक के ऊपर इसका बिड आस्क है, मींस हर 10 पैसे के रेट पर आपका बिड आस्क खड़ा है। तो यहाँ पर कोई इशू ही नहीं है एंट्री एग्जिट का। तो कमोडिटी में सबसे बड़ा फायदा ये है कि यहाँ पर लिक्विडिटी कभी खत्म ही नहीं होती है, यहाँ पर हमेशा आपको लिक्विडिटी मिलेगी और आप हर 10 पैसे के रेट पर अपना ट्रेड घुमा सकते हो। आपको मैं एक चीज दिखाना चाहूंगा, यहाँ पर इसमें कॉस्टिंग कितना लगता है, मींस नेचुरल गैस इसमें अगर आप देखेंगे तो इसमें क्या टोटल मार्जिन लग रहा है नेचुरल गैस के अंदर 24 रुपीज का, राइट। 24 रुपीज का मार्जिन है। अगर आपने इसको बाय करते हैं तो यू हैव टू पे 24,000 फॉर द 1 लॉट, राइट। 24 आपने बाय किया, इसमें मल्टीप्लायर है 1, सो आपको 1 रुपए में मार्केट लॉट 250 का, तो 1 रुपए में 250 रुपीज की प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस होता है इसमें, राइट। तो 250 रुपीज का प्रॉफिट, अगर ये 1 रुपया मूव करेगा तो 250 रुपए का प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस होता है इसमें। टिक साइज जो है वो 10 पैसे का है, तो 10 पैसे का टिक साइज का मतलब ये कि एक टिक मूव करेगा तो आपका ये 25 रुपए का प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा। यहां पर अगर आप कॉस्टिंग देखते हैं, राइट, कॉस्टिंग है इसकी टोटल मिला के 24,000 का मार्जिन है, सारे कॉस्ट मिला के 24 रुपए पड़ता है। तो मीन्स एक टिक मूव करेगा नेचुरल गैस मिनी तो आपकी कॉस्ट निकल जाएगी, 2 टिक करेगा तो आपकी नेट कॉस्ट निकल जाएगी। तो मीन्स आपने अगर तो 3 टिक भी आपने इसको होल्ड कर लिया, 3 टिक मतलब 30 पैसा, आपने अगर 30 पैसा भी इसको होल्ड किया देन यू विल इन द प्रॉफिट। और जितना इसके अंदर वॉलिटिलिटी है, ये 30 पैसा विद इन अ सेकेंड मूव करता है, राइट। अगर हम सामने स्क्रीन को देखें, अभी इसका प्राइस चल रहा था 400 रुपीज, अभी चल रहा है 4.10। तो यू विल सी कि 10 पैसा मतलब 1 रुपए का मूव इसमें कभी भी सडनली मूव आता है। तो अगर आपने 10, 20, 30 पैसे का भी आपने अगर इसमें ट्रेड बिठाया देन यू विल बी इन द प्रॉफिट, राइट। तो आप देखिए 39.90 का रेट इसमें चल रहा है, और इसको भी आप टेक्निकल चार्ट के थ्रू आप इसको इजिली ट्रैक कर सकते हैं। दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ द कमोडिटी, यहाँ पर कॉस्टिंग बहुत कम है। अगर आप इक्विटी में ट्रेड कर रहे हैं तो यू कैन कंसिडर दिस प्रोडक्ट फॉर द ट्रेडिंग परस्पेक्टिव, बिकॉज यहाँ पे कोई डिलीवरी नहीं है। सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट क्या है क्रूड और नेचुरल गैस के साथ, यहाँ पे कोई डिलीवरी नहीं है, देयर इज अ नो डिलीवरी, राइट। अगर आपने पोजीशन ली है और आपने एक्सपायरी तक भी छोड़ दिया तो दैट विल बी क्लोज इन द एज पर द एक्सचेंज, राइट। तो ये इसका बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिट है कि कोई यहाँ पे डिलीवरी नहीं है, एक्सचेंज के थ्रू आपकी सारी पोजीशन जो है वो स्क्वायर अप हो जाती है। तो यहाँ पर मार्जिन बहुत कम है, नॉमिनल मार्जिन है, इक्विटी के मुकाबले बहुत कम मार्जिन है। अगर आप आज निफ्टी में जाएंगे तो यू हैव टू पे 3 लाख रुपीज मार्जिन, जबकि यहाँ पे केवल मार्जिन है 24,000 का मार्जिन है। गोल्ड मेटल में तो सिर्फ 700 रुपए का मार्जिन है। एज कंपेयर टू द इक्विटी मार्केट, इट इज वेरी लो कॉस्ट प्रोडक्ट और वेरी हाई फ्लक्चुएटिंग प्रोडक्ट। मीन्स अगर आप नेचुरल गैस मिनिमम 50 पैसे या 1 रुपए के लिए भी होल्ड कर लेते हैं, तो यू कैन सी इफ यू आर अ स्क्रीन रीडर, आई कैन से दैट कि अगर आप स्क्रीन रीड भी करके ट्रेड डाल देते, यू विल बी इजीली गेट 1 और 2 रुपीज। तो आपको 400-500 रुपए आराम से एक ट्रेड में मिल जाते हैं, जहां पर आप इजीली इसको मूव कर सकते हो। आप देख सकते हैं कि ये एक झटके में ही 420-30 पैसे मूव कर गया। तो अगर आप 20-30 पैसे में ही इसको बाय और सेल करते हैं, देन यू विल बी इन द प्रॉफिट, राइट। अभी 390 था, अभी 400.20 होगा। 30 पैसे का सिर्फ मूव हुआ विद 5 मिनट। देखिए 400 रुपए 30 पैसे का रेट आ गया इसमें। तो अगर आपने 30 पैसे भी होल्ड कर लिया, देन यू विल बी इन द प्रॉफिट। मीन्स 10 पैसे के अंदर आपका सारा कॉस्ट निकल जाएगा, राइट। तो ये एक प्रोडक्ट है जिसके अंदर आप आपको देख सकते हैं, जहां पर आप इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं। इंपॉर्टेंट आता है कि आपको इसकी रिपोर्ट्स कहाँ से मिलेंगी। तो हमारी जो रिसर्च कॉल्स हैं वो इसके अंदर आती हैं। हम इसके अंदर सभी रिसर्च कॉल्स भी में डालते हैं, तो आप रिसर्च कॉल भी यहाँ पे आप ट्रैक कर सकते हैं। फ्रंट पेज पे जो रिसर्च का बटन है वहां पर आप देख सकते हैं, आपको रिसर्च कॉल सारी इसके अंदर मिलती हैं। हमारी सारी टेक्निकल रिसर्च कॉल इसमें मिलती है, आप उसको ट्रैक कर सकते हैं। इसके बाद आपको अगर कुछ अपनी जो बैक ऑफिस की रिपोर्ट्स होती हैं, वो सारी हमारी बैक ऑफिस सेक्शन में मिलती हैं, जहां पर आप जाके इजीली अपनी रिपोर्ट्स को चेक कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर बैक ऑफिस का ऑप्शन है, जो आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे, देन यू विल एबल टू ऑल गेट ऑल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नोट्स, ऑल प्रॉफिट लॉस स्टेटमेंट्स एंड ऑल प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस ट्रेडिंग स्टडी। यू कैन हियर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नोट्स, लेजर, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट, कैपिटल गेन, XIR रिपोर्ट, होल्डिंग स्टेटमेंट, ट्रेड समरी, कंसोलिडेटेड रिपोर्ट, MTF, पोर्टफोलियो डिस्क्रिपेंसी। तो ये इस ऐप में, इस बैक ऑफिस सेक्शन में जाके यू विल गेट ऑल योर रिपोर्ट्स, ऑल योर नीड्स विच रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द ट्रेडिंग पर्सपेक्टिव, राइट। तो यहाँ पे सभी चीज आपको मिलती हैं। एंड इवन इफ यू refer this app to somebody, then you can earn 200 rupees also, that is also is there। मीन्स अगर आप किसी को ऐप भी रेफर करते हैं, तो यहाँ पर आपको 200 रुपए का ये भी मिलता है। दैट इज द पार्ट। सो नाउ दिस इज आवर मोबाइल ऐप। सो नाउ दिस इज फ्रॉम आवर साइड। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी, प्लीज ask your query. We are happy to address the query. Please ask your query. um, can we order, Mr. Vikas? Thank you, Vikas ji. Can we order through IR app? Sir, we are in line with IR. We are launching commodity on IR very soon, right? So till you can put your orders by our call and trade desk. तो इन्वेस्ट साइट के लिए अगर आप कर रहे हैं, तो आप कॉल एंड ट्रेड डेस्क के थ्रू आप उसमें ट्रेड डाल सकते हैं। बट अभी फिलहाल हमारे ऐप में नहीं है इन्वेस्ट साइट में। आपको अभी फोन के थ्रू, हमारे कॉल एंड डेस्क के थ्रू आप ट्रेड डाल सकते हैं। प्लीज आस्क योर क्वेरी। कोई आपका क्वेरी हो तो आप पूछ सकते हैं। काश जी का क्वेरी है, व्हेन स्टार्ट इन IR रिपोर्ट। सो दैट इज द थिंग। स्टार्ट commodity, I think RIR में we are able to give you in April end. Yes, you can trade in crude oil and crude oil mini contracts. Yes, yes. गौरव जी पूछ रहे हैं कि नेचुरल गैस में कितने रुपए मिलते हैं 1 रुपए में? तो ये नेचुरल गैस में जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है वो 1250 रुपए का प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस आता है। तो आप 1250 नेचुरल गैस के बड़े लॉट में आप ट्रेड कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू गौरव जी। सर विकास जी, वी डोंट हैव प्राइस इन आयर। यू हैव टू डाउनलोड स्काई ऐप एंड लॉग इन, देन यू कैन चेक द प्राइस। इन्वेस्ट राइट में अभी नहीं है, बिकॉज देयर इज some issue with our vendor. It is they are delaying. That's why we are not able to provide you. विजेंद्र जी पूछ रहे हैं कि बेस मेटल में कौन कौन सी कमोडिटी है। थैंक यू विजेंद्र जी। इसमें बेस मेटल के अंदर हमारे पास कॉपर है, जिंक है, लेड है, एल्युमिनियम है, और उसके मिनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी है, जिंक मिनी, लेड मिनी, एल्युमिनियम मिनी। तो मिनी में भी आप काम कर सकते हैं और बड़े कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में भी ट्रेड कर सकते हैं। कमोडिटी आई थिंक आ रहा है, वी आर
हेलो।
ये चल रहा है।
वो लाइन पे था तो उनको कॉल लगाया
तो थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक्स अ लॉट। Please subscribe our YouTube channel where you will get all the details about our webinars, upcoming webinars, जहां पर आपको सभी डिटेल्स वेबिनार की आपको देखने को मिलेंगी। दैट इज फॉर द नॉलेज शेयरिंग पर्पस। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक्स अ लॉट टू जॉइनिंग दिस वेबिनार, थैंक्स अ लॉट एंड थैंक्स एमसीएक्स टीम। आपने आके यहाँ पे काफी अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन दिया अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, एंड डेफिनेटली इट्स हेल्प्स टू इंक्रीज द नॉलेज। सो थैंक यू एमसीएक्स, थैंक यू संजय सर, थैंक यू चंद्रनाथ पांडे जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक्स अ लॉट, and thanks to all audience. Thank you very much.